All right, let me show y'all what I found bleeding the brakes on the old forklift here. All right, let's see. Master cylinder is right there. I had to take that plate up off the floor, loosen up all that. I was able to leave the throttle pedal on. I took it off, but realized it was all connected, so put it back on. Master cylinder down in here, right in between those hydraulic lines. You can almost see some light, but that is where the bleed valve is, and the other bleed valve, there it is, up in that little hole there. So I was able to get my extension in a swivel and crack those guys and pump it, and it wasn't too bad. One-man show. But yeah, that'll get her back to stopping. See if we can't finagle some of this stuff around, get them scissor lifts loaded up to take up to the auction. And yeah, fun.